In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Website and click on it. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder so you can make changes directly on your site. After the editor loads, the next thing you need to do is locate the image you want to update. Take a moment to find the exact image on the page, since alt text is added individually for each one. Alt text, or alternative text, is important because it helps describe an image for screen readers and can also improve accessibility and overall website clarity. So even though this is a quick setting, it's a very useful one. When you've found the image, click on it to bring up its editing options. Then select Edit Image. This will open the Image Settings panel, where you can manage details related to that specific image. Under the image settings, you'll see a field labeled Alt Text. This is where you can type in the description for your image. Try to keep your alt text clear, accurate, and relevant to what the image actually shows. A good description should help someone understand the image if they can't see it. For example, instead of using something vague, it's better to describe the main subject of the image in a simple and natural way. At the same time, avoid stuffing in too many extra words. The goal is to be descriptive but concise. Once you've added your alt text, review it quickly to make sure it matches the image and doesn't contain unnecessary wording. This small check can make a big difference, especially if you're updating several images across your site and want everything to stay consistent. When you're done, click Update Website to save and publish your changes. That's it. Your image will now have alt text applied in Hostinger Website Builder. If you're working through multiple pages, you can repeat the same process for each image you want to optimize. It only takes a few moments, and it's a great habit to build into your website editing workflow. With that, you now know how to add alt text in Hostinger Website Builder.